I'm Siddhant, and today we are gonna discuss about chapter 10 from the book The Power of Subconscious Mind. Is it your right to be rich? You are here to lead an abundant life, to be happy, radiant, and limitless. You should therefore have all the money you need to lead a full, happy, and prosperous life. You are here to grow, expand, and unfold spiritually, mentally, and materialistically. You have the unalienable right to fully develop and express yourself along all lines. You should surround yourself with beauty and luxury, satisfied with just enough to go around when you can enjoy the riches of your subconscious mind. In this chapter, you can learn how the desire to be rich is a desire for a fuller, happier, and more wonderful life. It is a cosmic urge. When blood is circulating freely in your body, you are healthy. When money is circulating freely in your life, you are economically healthy. When people begin to hoard money, to put it away in a tin boxes and become charged with fear, they are economically ill. Money has taken many forms over a medium of exchange down through the centuries, such as salt, beads, and trinkets of various kinds. In the early times, a man's wealth were determined by the number of sheep and oxen he had. Now we use currencies and other negotiable instruments, as it is much more convenient to write checks than carrying some sheep around to pay your bills. So now let's understand why we do not have enough money. We often say, I am worthy of a higher salary than I am receiving. I believe most people are inadequately paid. One of the main causes are they are silent or straight away condemning it. The people refers to money as filthy, and the love of money is the root of all evil. Now let's see how we manipulate our weaknesses. And in a country like India, this is extremely common. When people do not prosper, they set a rather sneaky subconscious feeling that there is some virtue in poverty. Now I'm really interested to know how. What kind of virtue being poverty? It's not a sad love story of a one-sided lover man. It's poverty. If you do not buckle up faster, you will be ruined. Money and a balanced life is what should aspire for. A man said to an author, I am broke. I do not like money. It is the root of all evil. These statements literally represent a confused neurotic mind. You are here to use your power or authority wisely. Some men crave power while others crave money. We need neither of it in excess. We need to create a balance. Thoda money, thoda power, and that makes a cool combo. You must also satisfy the hunger for peace of mind, harmony, love, joy, and a perfect health. Poverty is a mental disease. There is no virtue in poverty. There is a very clear line, a bold letter, no virtue in poverty. It is a disease like any other mental disease. A healthy attitude towards money is all you need. You should be happy, prosperous, and successful. You must never criticize money. Cleanse your mind with all the weird and superstitious belief with about money. Do not even regard money as evil or filthy. If you do so, you cause it to take wings and fly away from you. Remember that you lose what you condemn. You cannot attract what you criticize. The correct attitude towards money. So, a very simple technique you may use to multiply money is your experience. Use the following statement several times a day. I like money. I love it. I use it wisely, constructively, and judiciously. Money is constantly circulating in our life. I release it with joy. It is good and very good. Money flows to me in avalanches of abundance. I use it for good only, and I am grateful for my good and for the riches of my mind. Now, the point is how to attract money. Let's figure it out with a short story.
So, ladies and gentlemen, here goes the story. Many years ago, I met a young boy in Australia who wanted to become a physician and surgeon. But he had no money. I explained to him how a seed deposited in the soil attracts to itself everything necessary for its unfolding. And all that he had to do was to take a lesson from the seed and deposit the required idea in his subconscious mind. For expenses, this young brilliant boy used to clean out doctors' offices, wash windows, and do odd repair jobs. He told me that every night as he went to sleep, he used to picture in his mind's eye a medical diploma on a wall with his name on it in big bold letters. He used to clean and shine the framed diplomas in the medical building where he worked. It was not hard for him to engrave the image of a diploma in his mind and develop it there. Definite results followed as he persisted with his mental picture every night for about 4 months. The sequel of this story was very interesting. One of the doctors took a great liking to this young boy, and after training him in the art of sterilizing instruments, giving hypodermic injections, and other miscellaneous first aid works, he employed him as a technical assistant in his office. The doctor later sent him to medical school at his own expense. Today, this young man is a prominent medical doctor in Montreal, Canada. He discovered the law of attraction by using his subconscious mind, and the right way. He operated an age old law that says, having seen the end, you have willed the means to realization of the end. Thank you.
So, this was it for this chapter. Hope you have enjoyed listening. If you want to know 3 steps to success, do watch our next video on chapter 11. Thanks a lot.
Hi RR, I hope you must have liked our initiative of chapter-wise explanation of diverse novels. Thank you guys for all your love and support as we hit our first 300 plus subscribers. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel to stay updated for the videos we upload on every Saturday and Sunday at 7 p.m. Thank you and have a good day.